Hey everyone, what's going on? Brett here with Simple Preparedness. Today I wanted to show you the water bottle that I've been using. Now, I know some people may say, why did you go with an insulated bottle, not a single wall stainless steel? I've got those. This water bottle that I got is for my daily use, nightly use, whatever. I take this with me when I'm in my truck or when I go to work. It sits on my nightstand at night. I drink a lot of water. But I was looking for a deal, and I think this was a pretty good deal. What I got here is 64 ounce insulated water bottle from Topre. I guess that's how you pronounce it. Really, really nice. Has a sweat resistant coating on the outside. They say it will keep hot liquids hot for up to 24 hours, cold liquids cold for up to 48. Now I've put ice and stuff in this, and well over 24 hours later, there is still cubes of ice in here. So it definitely keeps the cold in. But like I said, I was looking for a deal, and this is gonna set you back about $37. Well, why is that a deal? Well, here's where it kind of comes into play. Right now I'm using, they have like a straw head kind of deal on it. That's the one I'm using. And of course, you do get a straw. It's got a pretty decent opening in there. But what made this nice was they included a second straw. They also included the little straw washer, which, these things are a pain in the butt to clean. Having that, really, really nice. They also included a little kind of carry bag cover for it. Now with this lid, you have to take the top off. And pretty simple after that. You just slide it right over the top, zip it up, and there you go. It's got a nice convenient little grab handle on there. What they also include with it is the shoulder strap. So of course you can hook it up, and they do spin on there. So there you go. You got a shoulder strap if you want a shoulder strap for it. If you're going on a little hike or something, or out at the park, whatever you're doing. But also included in that, they send you the brush to get down in there and clean this thing up when it gets nasty. Also included in that, you get just a regular lid. Yeah, there you go. Grab it and go. Take the top off, drink out of the bottle, put the top back on. They also, yes, include the flip top lid. And what I like is all these have little handles on it, so you can just grab it by the handle and go. But they do have the flip top lid on there. Pretty nice size opening. And that's it. For $37, I think that's a pretty good deal. Right now, I'm just using the straw one. I like that. It's easier nighttime. If I get thirsty, I can just pop it open, take the pull, put it down. I don't have to worry about spilling it in the bed or whatever. Really, really nice. Little bit weighty, but like I said, this isn't going in a get home bag or bug out bag or anything like that. This is just my daily water bottle. And I'm absolutely loving it right now. I'm gonna keep using it. You know, of course, we got record-breaking heat waves going on all over the place. We've seen quite a few temperatures up in the hundreds. Y'all saw the video the other day, just being out here. It was 103 out here where I shoot all my videos and stuff at. So, I just thought I'd bring this up, kind of let y'all know if you're looking for a really nice water bottle that's not gonna break the bank, plus give you a bunch of extra stuff to go with it. This is definitely the way to go. I'm really, really liking this water bottle, this whole setup that they have going on here. And it will keep your stuff ice cold. Never mind. It will keep your stuff ice cold for a nice long time. So if you're out at the field, you know, watching your kids play baseball or whatever you're doing, it's a good choice there. Check it out, look into it. Other than that, my friends, that is all I got for you today. As always, be safe, be prepared. We'll holler at you later. Bye.